Hello, this is Reckitt House. My name is Sharon. I'm the house manager here and I'm going to take you on a tour. First area is our big spacious lobby. This is where the girls can wind down at the end of the day, sit around and have a chat with a cup of tea. Here we have the duty room, and this is where you will find me during the day. Students can come in here and ask me any question. If they want to sit and have a chat, they're welcome anytime during the day. If you come with me, I'm going to take you through to the television room. So here the girls will sit here of an evening and watch some TV. Also, you'll find this all around the house. We have photographs of our students doing many activities at Leighton Park. And here we have our day kitchen. We do actually have two kitchens here. This one is used by the girls during the day if they want to make a light snack. Also have a washing machine and dryer. And although we do have a central laundry, if there's any emergency washing that needs to be done, we encourage the girls to wash and dry it themselves. This is our second kitchen, and this is where the girls can come in and do some baking. All the girls participate and join in as a community. And here we have our room, which is dedicated for our sixth formers. The sixth formers can come in here and watch a movie with popcorn, or they can sit and practice on the electronic piano or play the guitar. It's a nice, calming space to relax and wind down at the end of the day. Now we're going to go through to our common room. Come with me. This is our cosy, spacious common room shared by all the girls in Reckitt House. We have tables here where the girls can play card games and board games, and if they want to do some prep or evening work, they can do so. Just here we have a beautiful piano. I work just across the corridor and I can hear it from my office, and it's an absolute pleasure and delight to hear the girls play. We have a pull down screen, so at the weekend and of a Friday night we can have movie nights with popcorn, of course, and sometimes, if they're lucky, the boys can be invited up to share the film as well. Over here we have our very own games room. We have table football and a pool table where many friendly tournaments take place of an evening or at the weekend. We are very lucky here at Reckitt. We have a wonderful outdoor space, very secluded, and we're not overlooked. We can access this beautiful outside area from the lobby, the TV room and the common room. In the summer we have volleyball nets out, badminton, and the girls can bring out bean bags and they can sit and relax. So now we're going to move on upstairs. I'm just going to stop right here because here is a whiteboard, and this is where the girls like to write happy messages and messages to their friend. So this is a 3-bed bedroom. As you can see, the girls have made it their own. They've brought their own fleecy blankets. Teddy bears are encouraged. Each girl has their own study space with a desk, a bookcase, chest of drawers, and under the bed is storage as well. So here we have a sixth former room. As you can see, it's nice and cosy, very home from home. Thank you for joining me on the tour of Reckitt House. I hope you can see what a warm, cosy, inviting house it is. If you'd like to have a one-to-one tour, please contact admissions@leightonpark.com and I'll be more than happy to take you on a one-to-one tour.